What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing a speed test and benchmark comparison of the newest iPhone, which is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the last year's best phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Here are some of its specifications. So let's start with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It is powered by the A19 Pro, which is a 3mm chip with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a 4mm chip with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the results, the iPhone 17 Pro Max mostly wins in opening apps, but not in a big margin as they're almost neck to neck on some few apps. For some reason, the S24 Ultra also turns on much faster than the 17 Pro Max. So in daily usage, you won't notice any difference between these phones, and both phones are really fast and fluid. On opening games and benchmark, the iPhone 17 Pro Max wins mostly as well, as it does have a newer and better chip, which is a 3mm chip than the 4mm chip of the S24 Ultra. I noticed as well that through the test, the S24 Ultra runs much hotter than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this is the first time for iPhones, since in my previous experience, as iPhones really do heats up a lot. Thus, the change to aluminum and addition of the vapor chamber really makes a difference, and thus making it run cooler as well. So, in conclusion, the 17 Pro Max win this speed test and benchmark comparison. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.